Welcome to Giggle Learning Zone. Hello kids, let's learn ABC together. A, B, C. Learning letters happily. D, E, F. Nothing is tough. G, H, I. Stars in the sky. J, K, L. Ring the bell. M, N, O. Ready, steady, go. PQR, a night full of stars. STU, the sky is blue. VWX, do your best. Y and Z, now go to bed. Good job, kids. Bye bye.